Good day, students. I'm Chris Brain. I'm here to deliver a lecture, Cost Volume Profit Analysis. Cost Volume Profit Analysis is one of the applications of marginal costing techniques. It actually shows the relationship between cost, profit, and volume. It tries to explain the behavior of cost and profit together with volume. Like how many units will be produced for so profit to be made, or how many units will be produced for so loss to be incurred, or the number of units that will be produced for you to make neither profit nor loss. And as at that point, it becomes the break-even point. So it is majorly used by manufacturing organization to actually determine the number of units to be produced in order to project a particular profit. So in that case, we'll be looking at the application of break-even points. So the break-even point is the point where profit is neither made or loss, neither incurred. So in that case, it is the point where total revenue is equal to the total cost. So to derive the formula relating to cost volume profit analysis, we will look at the total revenue, which is equal to the total cost. Now, the total revenue is given as the product of price, which is selling price, times the quantity produced, equals to total cost is the combination of total fixed cost plus the total variable cost. So price times quantity will give us PQ equals to total fixed cost remain with the abbreviation plus total variable cost becomes BQ, which is variable cost per unit times the quantity produced. Now, we have a similarity between this and this. So we have to move this to this side of the equation. Recall that this is plus, so when it's moving, it becomes minus. So we have PQ minus BQ equals to TFC, the total fixed cost. Good. We can expand this, we can factorize this, because there is Q here, there is Q here. So bring out a Q into P minus B equals to the total fixed cost. Now we divide through by P minus B. So we'll do this, we'll obtain Q into P minus B divided by P minus B equals to total fixed cost into P minus B. So this, we cancel this. We have Q equals to total fixed cost all over P minus B. Now, recall that P minus B is equal to selling price minus variable cost per unit. And when you take away variable cost per unit from selling price, you will obtain contribution per unit. Therefore, break-even point in units will be equals to the total fixed cost over the contribution per unit. So this formula will be applicable when you are calculating the break-even point in units. That is the number of units that will make a company not to make profit or loss. So in this case, we can as well as get the break-even point in value. To do this, we will say total fixed cost divided by contribution over selling price. And contribution over selling price is also known as the CMR, which is contribution margin ratio. So if we want to go further with the break-even point in value, we can say break-even point in value is equals to total fixed cost over CMR. But if you cannot do this, you can still say that break-even points in value is equals to break-even point in units multiplied by the selling price. So if you do this, or you do this, you are going to arrive at the same answer. So this is the formula that will be used to calculate questions relating to break-even points under the cost volume profit analysis.